morning student. From today we are discussing third lesson current electricity. इसको अपन विद्युत धारा बोलते हैं. We know that the electricity is most important in our daily life, in our modern world. In electrical furnaces, most of the electric furnaces, most of the domestic devices means अपन घर में जो यूज करते हो इलेक्ट्रिक डिवाइसेस जस्ट लाइक अ रेफ्रिजरेटर, then washing machine, fan, roti maker, vacuum cleaner, these all are electrical domestic devices. You are used the electricity to save the time as well as labor. Okay, so initially in this lesson we discuss about the potential difference means PD. We know that the water flow from higher level to a lower level is the characteristic property of the flowing water. Look at this diagram. Initially in first bottle which is kept at a higher level, second bottle which is kept at a lower level. In between these two bottles there is a clamp. When we remove this clamp, जेव्हा आपण clamp remove करू, the water from the higher level bottle goes towards the lower level bottle until the level of water in both the bottles become equal. जोपर्यंत त्या दोन्ही बॉटल मधील वॉटर लेवल इक्वल येणार नाही तोपर्यंत तो वॉटर हायर लेवल कडून लोअर लेवल कडे फ्लो होत राहणार. Just like this, just like the flow of water, the electric charge, electric current also flow from higher potential to a lower potential. Okay, that potential is known as a electric potential. Observe this diagram, this 3.2, which is given in a textbook. These both are potential in conductor. A conductor have a higher potential than the B conductor. When these two conductors connected by a conducting wire, जेव्हा हे दोन कंडक्टर कनेक्टिंग वायर सोबत कंडक्ट केले जातात, they created a potential difference between the 2 points. या दोन्ही पॉइंट मध्ये potential difference means PD create होतो and then the flow of electrons takes place. Flow of electrons takes place from this direction, from negative to positive, negative to positive. This difference between the 2 points, between the potential of 2 points is known as a potential difference. This flow of electrons, म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनचा जो फ्लो आहे तो सुद्धा जोपर्यंत दोन्ही मधील पोटेन्शियल इक्वल होत नाही किंवा झिरो होत नाही तोपर्यंत इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो होत राहतात. दॅट इज द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. देन वी डिस्कस अबाउट द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ अ सेल. यू नो सेल, इलेक्ट्रिक सेल, त्याला आपण विद्युत घट सुद्धा म्हणतो. अशा पद्धतीचं स्ट्रक्चर सर्वांना माहित आहे. प्लस मायनस अशा पद्धतीचे दोन टर्मिनल्स असतात. सो द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ अ सेल means what? The difference between the potential, positive potential and the negative potential of a cell is known as a potential difference of a cell. This potential difference in cell created by the chemical reaction occurring inside the cell. त्या सेलच्या आतमध्ये जे काही केमिकल सबस्टन्स असतात त्या केमिकल सबस्टन्स मध्ये केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑकर होते and because of this chemical reaction they create a potential difference and this potential difference responsible to flow the electric charge from negative to positive terminal and the work is done. Because of this potential difference in 2 points work is done means total charge is transferred. So potential difference in 2 points means positive and negative equal to work done upon total charge transfer किती होतो. So potential difference means V, work done means W and total charge means Q. Okay, so SI's unit of potential difference is volt, वर्क जूल मध्ये मोजला जातो आणि चार्ज हा कुलोम मध्ये मोजला जातो. मीन्स व्हेन 1 volt potential difference is applied, then 1 coulomb charge is transferred and 1 joule work is done. Okay, then we know that any conductor म्हणजे तार समजू आपण, वाहक is made up of atoms. In this metallic conductor there is a outermost electrons which are loosely or weakly bound with nucleus. For example, this is the one of the metallic conductor which have 2 electrons in their outermost orbit. For example, magnesium. Okay, so these outermost electrons loosely or weakly bonded with this nucleus. Such a loosely or weakly bonded electrons in outermost orbit is known as a free electrons. Or for example, this is the conductor. एक तार आहे, तार मध्ये असे अनेक ॲटम्स असतात. त्या ॲटम्स मधील एका ॲटम्स मधील फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हे दुसऱ्या ॲटम मध्ये, दुसऱ्यामध्ये तिसऱ्यामध्ये, तिसऱ्यातून चौथ्यामध्ये अशा पद्धतीने फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव्ह होत जातात, ट्रान्सफर होत जातात. अशा पद्धतीने जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट आहे तो फ्लो होत जातो. ओके.